Welcome, my wildlife friends all over the world. Take a seat, get comfortable, and enjoy today's show. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.
Eagles are apex predators, occupying the highest trophic level in their ecosystems. As apex predators, eagles play a crucial role in regulating prey populations. Their predatory behavior helps maintain balance within their respective food webs. Eagles are distributed globally, inhabiting diverse environments across continents. Different eagle species have adapted to various habitats, from forests to grasslands. This widespread distribution highlights their ecological adaptability and importance worldwide. Accipitridae is a family of birds of prey that includes eagles, hawks, kites, harriers, and Old World vultures. Eagles are classified within the Accipitridae family, known for their large size and powerful build. Eagles possess exceptional eyesight, enabling them to spot prey from great distances. Different eagle species are adapted to various habitats, from forests to open grasslands. Examples of eagle species include the bald eagle, golden eagle, and harpy eagle, each with unique characteristics. Eagle's skeletal structure exhibits specialized adaptations that facilitate efficient flight. The bones are lightweight, reducing the overall weight for easier lift and maneuverability. Many bones are hollow and reinforced with internal struts, providing strength without adding excessive weight. The fused clavicle, or furcula, wishbone, provides a strong anchor for flight muscles and acts as a spring during flight. The keel-shaped sternum provides a large surface area for the attachment of powerful flight muscles. Eagles possess exceptional eyesight, far superior to that of humans. This superior vision is crucial for spotting prey from great distances. Eagles can detect subtle movements and color variations indicative of potential targets. Their keen eyesight enables precise and effective hunting strategies. Eagle talons are specialized claws adapted for capturing and securing prey. Their curved shape and sharp edges enable a powerful grip. The talon's strength allows eagles to hold on to struggling animals. This adaptation is crucial for successful hunting and survival. The eagle's beak is characterized by its distinctive hooked shape. This curvature is a crucial adaptation for their predatory lifestyle. The primary function of the hooked beak is to tear flesh from prey. The sharp edges of the beak act as efficient cutting tools. Eagles use their powerful beak to dissect and consume their catch. The beak structure provides the necessary force and precision for this task. Feathers are crucial for avian insulation, maintaining body temperature. The structure of feathers traps air, creating an insulating layer. Feathers are also essential for flight, providing lift and control. Their aerodynamic design enables birds to maneuver efficiently in the air. Eagle wingspans vary significantly across different species. Wingspan is a key indicator of an eagle's size and hunting capabilities. Larger wingspans often correlate with the ability to hunt bigger prey. Comparing wingspans helps understand the ecological niches of different eagle species. Eagles exploit thermals, which are rising columns of warm air, to gain altitude without expending much energy. Thermals are created by the uneven heating of the Earth's surface by the sun. Eagles also utilize updrafts, which are currents of air deflected upwards when wind encounters an obstacle like a mountain or ridge. By circling within thermals and flying along updrafts, eagles can soar for extended periods. This soaring technique allows eagles to cover vast distances while minimizing flapping and conserving energy. Various hunting techniques are employed by predators to capture prey. Diving is a hunting strategy used by some animals to pursue prey underwater. Ambushing involves concealing oneself and launching a surprise attack. These strategies are adapted to different environments and prey types. Eagle diets vary significantly based on their geographic location. This variation is due to the availability of different prey species in different habitats. Eagles are opportunistic hunters, adapting their prey selection to what is most accessible. Fish are a common food source for many eagle species, especially those near bodies of water. Other prey items include small mammals, birds, reptiles, and amphibians. Larger eagles may also hunt larger prey, such as deer, fawns, or livestock, on occasion. Eagle hunting success is influenced by a combination of environmental and behavioral factors. Prey availability and distribution significantly impact an eagle's hunting opportunities. Weather conditions, such as wind and visibility, can either aid or hinder hunting efforts. An eagle's age and experience level affect its hunting skills and success rate. Hunting technique, including soaring, diving, and perch hunting, plays a crucial role. Physical condition, including health and wing structure, influences an eagle's hunting capabilities. Eagles, as apex predators, require a diet high in protein to support their energy needs and muscle development. Their diet primarily consists of fish, supplemented by birds, small mammals, and carrion when available. Essential nutrients such as calcium and phosphorus are vital for bone strength and egg production in females. Eagles need a consistent food supply to maintain their large body size and sustain their demanding hunting activities. Eagles are carnivorous birds of prey, primarily feeding on fish and small mammals. Their feeding behavior involves hunting, capturing, and consuming their prey. Eagles use their sharp talons and beaks to tear apart and ingest their food. Observation of eagles consuming prey provides insights into their ecological role and hunting strategies. Eagles exhibit a wide range of habitat preferences across the globe. These habitats span diverse environments, from dense forests to towering mountains. Eagles also inhabit grasslands, coastal regions, and even desert landscapes. The specific habitat depends on factors like prey availability and nesting sites. Eagles strategically select nesting sites to ensure safety and accessibility. Preferred locations often include tall trees with sturdy branches. Cliffs and other elevated natural structures also serve as nesting sites. Proximity to food sources, such as bodies of water, is a key factor. Eagles typically choose locations that offer protection from predators and the elements. Eagles construct large nests, known as eyries, typically in tall trees or on cliffs. Nest construction involves both the male and female eagles. The foundation is built with large sticks, forming a sturdy base. Eagles line the nest with softer materials like grass and feathers for insulation. Eyries are continually maintained and expanded, sometimes reaching impressive sizes over years. Eagles use a variety of materials to construct their nests, reflecting availability in their habitat. Primary materials include sticks and branches, forming the foundational structure of the nest. Eagles often incorporate softer materials like grasses, leaves, and moss to line the nest. These soft materials provide insulation and cushioning for eggs and young eaglets. Eagles may also use materials like animal fur or feathers to further soften the nest lining. The selection of nesting materials contributes to the nest's overall stability and comfort. Eagle nest sizes vary significantly across different species. Nest size is influenced by factors such as species, age, and available resources. Some eagles build relatively small nests, while others construct massive structures. Larger nests often indicate older, more established breeding pairs. Nest size can also reflect the abundance of nesting materials in the eagle's habitat. Eagle breeding seasons vary significantly based on geographic location. Eagles in northern regions typically begin breeding earlier in the year. This early start allows sufficient time for nesting and raising young during favorable weather conditions. In contrast, eagles in southern regions may breed later due to milder climates. The timing is often synchronized with prey availability to ensure adequate food for eaglets. Environmental factors such as temperature and daylight hours also influence breeding onset. Eagle courtship rituals involve elaborate displays of aerial acrobatics. These displays serve to demonstrate the fitness and agility of potential mates. Eagles perform synchronized flights, showcasing their coordination. Visual displays such as dives and chases are common elements. These behaviors help establish pair bonds and facilitate successful breeding. Eagle egg laying is a crucial stage in the avian reproductive cycle. The process typically occurs within the confines of a meticulously constructed nest. The female eagle deposits eggs, usually 1 to 3 in number, depending on the species and environmental conditions. The eggs are incubated by both parents to maintain a consistent temperature for proper embryo development. Successful egg laying and incubation are vital for the continuation of eagle populations. The incubation period refers to the time eggs require to hatch. This duration varies significantly among different species. Parental care during incubation often involves maintaining optimal temperature. Parental care also includes protecting the eggs from predators. The hatching process begins when the eaglet is fully developed inside the egg. The eaglet uses its egg tooth, a small, sharp projection on its beak, to peck at the shell. This pecking creates a small hole, which the eaglet then enlarges over several hours or days. The eaglet gradually chips away at the shell, eventually creating a large enough opening to emerge. Once free from the shell, the eaglet is exhausted but ready to begin its life in the nest. Eaglet development begins in the egg, with incubation lasting around 35 days. Upon hatching, eaglets are altricial, meaning they are completely dependent on their parents. Eaglets fledge, or leave the nest, at around 10 to 12 weeks old, but still rely on parental support. Full independence is achieved gradually as the young eagles hone their hunting skills. Eagle parents exhibit strong parental care behaviors. This includes diligently feeding their young eaglets. Eagles also provide protection from predators. They maintain the nest to ensure a safe environment. Parental care is crucial for eaglet survival and development. Fledging refers to the stage when young birds, typically eaglets, leave their nest for the first time. This event marks a critical transition in the eaglet's life, signifying its move towards independence. The first departure from the nest is a significant and closely observed behavior. It is a crucial step in the development of the eaglet's flying and hunting skills. The fledging stage is a vulnerable period for young birds. Observing fledging provides insights into avian development and behavior. Young eagles face significant challenges when learning to hunt. Initial hunting attempts often result in failure due to inexperience. Developing precise coordination for catching prey is a gradual process. Juvenile eagles must learn to judge distances accurately for successful strikes. Competition with more experienced adults adds to the difficulty. Survival depends on mastering hunting skills despite these obstacles. Eagle migration patterns involve long-distance movements between breeding and wintering grounds. Different eagle populations follow distinct migratory routes shaped by geography and resource availability. These routes often span hundreds or thousands of kilometers, crossing various terrains. Migration is crucial for eagles to access suitable habitats and food sources throughout the year. Eagles exhibit roosting behavior by gathering at communal sites. These roosting sites serve as temporary gathering locations for eagles. Observation of these sites provides insights into eagle social behavior. Communal roosting may offer benefits such as information sharing or protection. Eagles exhibit complex social behaviors, particularly concerning territorial defense. Territoriality in eagles is primarily driven by the need to secure resources, especially food and nesting sites. Eagles defend their territories through vocalizations, displays of aerial prowess, and physical confrontations. Social interactions among eagles also include cooperative hunting and shared parental care within mated pairs. Eagles communicate through a combination of vocalizations and body language. Vocalizations include various calls used for different purposes. These calls can signal alarm, attract mates, or establish territory. Body language, such as posture and wing displays, also conveys information. These visual cues can indicate dominance, submission, or courtship behavior. Eagles, as apex predators, generally have long lifespans compared to many other birds. In the wild, the average lifespan of an eagle typically ranges from 20 to 30 years. However, this can vary depending on the species and environmental factors such as food availability and habitat quality. Eagles in captivity often live longer, with some individuals reaching ages of 40 to 50 years or even more. The increased lifespan in captivity is primarily due to consistent food supply, veterinary care, and protection from predators and harsh weather. Despite the potential for longer life in captivity, wild eagles face natural selection pressures that contribute to the overall health and resilience of the species. Eagles, especially eaglets, face threats from various predators in their ecosystems. The vulnerability of eaglets is higher due to their smaller size and inability to fly. Common predators of eaglets include larger birds of prey such as owls and hawks. Mammalian predators like foxes, coyotes, and raccoons may also prey on eaglets if nests are accessible. Snakes can pose a threat by climbing trees to reach nests and prey on eggs or young eaglets. Adult eagles have fewer predators, primarily due to their size, strength, and defensive capabilities. Eagles, like all wildlife, are susceptible to various parasites. These parasites can affect both internal and external systems of the eagles. Common external parasites include mites and lice, causing irritation and feather damage. Internal parasites, such as worms, can impair digestion and nutrient absorption. Eagles are also vulnerable to a range of diseases, both bacterial and viral. These diseases can compromise the immune system and overall health of eagle populations. Golden eagles are large birds of prey, known for their powerful build and impressive wingspan. They primarily inhabit mountainous regions and open landscapes across the northern hemisphere. Their diet consists mainly of mammals, birds, and occasionally reptiles, hunted with exceptional skill. Golden eagles exhibit strong pair bonds and are known for their elaborate courtship displays. The bald eagle is a North American bird of prey known for its distinctive white head and brown body. It is a symbol of the United States, representing freedom and strength. Bald eagles primarily inhabit areas near bodies of water, where they can easily access their main food source, fish. They are skilled hunters, using their sharp talons to snatch fish from the water's surface. Bald eagles build massive nests, called eyries, which are among the largest bird nests in the world. These eagles exhibit strong pair bonds, often mating for life and raising their young together. White-tailed eagles are large birds of prey, known for their impressive size and wingspan. They primarily inhabit coastal areas and wetlands, relying on aquatic environments for food. Their diet mainly consists of fish, but they also consume birds and carrion. White-tailed eagles exhibit strong pair bonds and build large nests, often reusing them for many years. Martial eagles are one of Africa's largest and most powerful eagles. They are characterized by their dark brown upperparts and white, black-spotted underparts. These eagles possess keen eyesight, essential for spotting prey from great distances. Martial eagles are formidable predators, preying on a variety of mammals, birds, and reptiles. They typically hunt from the air, soaring high above the ground before diving to capture their prey. Martial eagles are known for their solitary nature, usually seen alone or in pairs. The harpy eagle is one of the largest and most powerful raptors in the world. It is characterized by its impressive size, distinctive plumage, and strong talons. Harpy eagles primarily inhabit tropical lowland rainforests. They are apex predators, preying on a variety of mammals and birds. Their hunting behavior involves perching and ambushing prey from the canopy. Stellar sea eagle is one of the largest and most powerful raptors. It is characterized by its massive yellow beak and distinctive white shoulders. These eagles primarily inhabit coastal regions of northeastern Asia. Their diet mainly consists of fish, which they hunt with great skill and precision. Conservation status indicates the risk of a species becoming extinct. Different eagle species face varying levels of threat. Factors like habitat loss and poaching impact eagle populations. Conservation efforts aim to protect vulnerable eagle species. Eagle populations face significant threats primarily caused by human activities. Habitat loss due to deforestation and urbanization reduces suitable nesting and hunting grounds. Human development encroaches on eagle territories, disrupting their natural behaviors. Poisoning from pesticides and lead ammunition poses a direct threat to eagle health and survival. These combined factors contribute to population decline and endangerment of eagle species. Habitat loss significantly impacts eagle populations worldwide. Deforestation removes the large, mature trees eagles require for nesting. Urbanization encroaches on eagle habitats, reducing available hunting grounds. Reduced habitat leads to increased competition for resources among eagles. This competition can lower breeding success and overall population numbers. Pesticides can indirectly poison eagles through contaminated prey. Eagles consume animals that have ingested pesticides, accumulating toxins in their system. This accumulation can lead to weakened immune systems and reproductive failures. Lead poisoning occurs when eagles ingest lead fragments, often from ammunition and hunted animals. Lead is highly toxic and can cause neurological damage, organ failure, and death in eagles. Hunting, both historically and presently, poses a significant threat to various animal populations. Unregulated hunting can lead to population decline and even extinction of vulnerable species. Persecution, often stemming from human-wildlife conflict, exacerbates these threats. Habitat loss combined with hunting pressure further endangers wildlife. Conservation efforts are crucial to mitigate these threats and ensure biodiversity. Power lines pose a significant electrocution risk to eagles. Eagles' large wingspans increase their likelihood of contacting energized wires and grounded structures simultaneously. This contact can create a circuit, leading to electrocution. Electrocution is a major cause of injury and mortality in eagles, impacting local populations. Power companies are implementing measures to reduce electrocution risks. These measures include insulating wires and increasing the spacing between conductors. Wind turbines pose a potential threat to eagle populations due to collision risks. Eagles, particularly golden and bald eagles, are vulnerable because of their flight patterns. These birds often soar at altitudes that intersect with the rotor-swept area of wind turbines. Fatal collisions can occur when eagles are unable to detect or avoid the rotating blades. Mitigation strategies include careful site selection and operational adjustments to minimize risks. Ongoing research and monitoring are crucial for assessing and reducing the impact on eagle populations. Eagle conservation efforts are dedicated to protecting eagle populations and their habitats. Habitat restoration is a key component, aiming to improve or recreate suitable living environments for eagles. This includes preserving nesting sites and ensuring access to adequate food sources. Anti-poisoning campaigns are crucial to address threats from toxins in the environment. These campaigns often focus on reducing the use of pesticides and other harmful chemicals. Overall, these efforts aim to maintain healthy and thriving eagle populations. Many countries have enacted laws to protect eagle populations. These laws often prohibit the hunting, killing, or harming of eagles. Regulations may also extend to protecting eagle nests and habitats. Specific legal protections vary depending on the country and eagle species. These legal measures aim to conserve eagle populations and maintain ecological balance. Habitat restoration focuses on renewing degraded, damaged, or destroyed ecosystems. Eagle habitat restoration aims to reestablish suitable living conditions for eagles. Key efforts include restoring nesting sites and ensuring food availability. Protecting existing habitats from further degradation is also crucial. These efforts support eagle populations and overall ecosystem health. Successful restoration requires ongoing monitoring and adaptive management. Anti-poisoning campaigns aim to reduce the use of harmful substances in various sectors. These campaigns often target the agricultural sector, focusing on pesticides. Another key focus is reducing the use of lead ammunition in hunting and other activities. Harmful pesticides can have detrimental effects on wildlife, ecosystems, and human health. Lead ammunition poses risks to wildlife that ingest it, as well as potential contamination of the food chain. Public education is crucial for effective eagle conservation. Awareness programs can inform the public about eagle habitats and behaviors. Education highlights the threats eagles face, such as habitat loss and poisoning. Increased awareness can lead to greater public support for conservation efforts. Educational initiatives can promote responsible behavior around eagle habitats. Community involvement is essential for the long-term success of eagle conservation. Research is essential for understanding eagle population dynamics and trends. Monitoring programs track eagle numbers, distribution, and breeding success. Data collection involves nest surveys, radio telemetry, and GPS tracking. Researchers study eagle behavior, including foraging habits and social interactions. Analysis of collected data helps identify threats to eagle populations. Monitoring informs conservation strategies and management decisions to protect eagles. Eagle rehabilitation focuses on treating and caring for injured eagles. The goal is to restore the eagles to full health. Rehabilitation includes medical treatment for injuries. It also involves providing a safe environment for recovery. The ultimate aim is to release the rehabilitated eagles back into the wild. Captive breeding programs play a crucial role in eagle conservation efforts. These programs involve maintaining and breeding eagles in controlled environments. The primary goal is to increase the population size of endangered or threatened eagle species. Captive breeding helps to safeguard genetic diversity within eagle populations. Offspring from these programs can be released into the wild to supplement existing populations. Careful monitoring and management are essential for the success of captive breeding and release initiatives. Reintroduction programs aim to re-establish eagle populations in areas where they previously disappeared. These programs involve releasing eagles into suitable habitats within their former range. Careful monitoring of released eagles is essential to assess the program's success. Habitat restoration and protection are crucial components of successful reintroduction efforts. Ecotourism can be strategically employed to support eagle conservation efforts. Revenue generated from ecotourism activities can be directly invested in habitat preservation. Ecotourism fosters awareness and appreciation for eagles among local communities and visitors. Carefully managed ecotourism minimizes disturbance to eagle nesting sites and critical habitats. Citizen science allows the public to actively participate in scientific research. Volunteers can contribute valuable data on eagle populations and behavior. Citizen scientists can assist in monitoring eagle nests and their success rates. Photographic evidence submitted by citizens helps track eagle movements and health. This collaborative approach enhances the scope and effectiveness of eagle conservation efforts. Eagles hold significant cultural importance across various societies worldwide. They are often viewed as symbols of power, freedom, and transcendence. In many cultures, the eagle is associated with courage, strength, and leadership. Some societies regard eagles as messengers of the gods or spiritual guides. The eagle's ability to soar to great heights symbolizes a connection to the divine or the heavens. Consequently, eagles appear frequently in mythology, heraldry, and national emblems. Eagles hold significant symbolic roles across various mythologies and folklore traditions. They are often associated with power, courage, and divine authority. In many cultures, eagles are viewed as messengers of the gods, bridging the gap between the celestial and earthly realms. Their ability to soar to great heights symbolizes spiritual ascent and enlightenment. Eagles frequently appear as emblems of royalty and national identity, representing strength and freedom. Stories featuring eagles often highlight themes of protection, vision, and overcoming adversity. Eagles have been a prominent symbol in art and literature across various cultures. They often represent power, freedom, and majesty. In art, eagles are depicted in paintings, sculptures, and other visual media. Literary works use eagles to symbolize noble qualities or serve as metaphors for strength and vision. Eagles are a common charge in heraldry, symbolizing power and authority. The eagle is often depicted as a golden or black bird with outstretched wings, It frequently appears in the coats of arms of emperors, kings, and nations. The double-headed eagle is a specific symbol associated with empires, such as the Byzantine and Holy Roman Empires. Different postures and attributes of the eagle can convey specific meanings. The use of eagles in national symbols reflects a desire to project strength, vigilance, and nobility. Eagles are prominently used as national symbols by various countries worldwide. This use signifies qualities such as strength, freedom, and sovereignty. The choice of an eagle often reflects a nation's aspirations and values. Different species of eagles may be chosen to represent different national identities. The imagery of eagles is frequently incorporated into national flags, emblems, and currency. Historically, the association of eagles with power dates back to ancient civilizations. Eagle conservation efforts have seen significant successes globally. These efforts often involve habitat preservation and restoration. Protecting nesting sites is crucial for successful breeding. Regulations against hunting and poaching have aided population recovery. Public awareness campaigns promote eagle conservation. Collaborative international efforts enhance conservation outcomes. Eagle conservation faces numerous challenges in the future. Habitat loss and degradation remain significant threats to eagle populations. Climate change poses new and evolving risks to eagle survival. Continued conservation efforts are crucial for securing the future of eagles. Climate change is expected to alter eagle habitats through rising temperatures. Changes in precipitation patterns can affect water availability in eagle habitats. Extreme weather events, intensified by climate change, pose direct threats to eagle nests and populations. Shifts in prey distribution, driven by climate change, may impact eagle food sources. Altered habitat conditions can increase competition and disease susceptibility among eagles. Sustainable land management involves practices that maintain or improve land health. These practices can significantly benefit eagle populations. Proper land management ensures a stable food supply for eagles. It also protects nesting habitats and reduces environmental contaminants. Community involvement is crucial for effective eagle conservation. Local communities often possess valuable knowledge about eagle habitats and behaviors. Engaging communities fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility for eagle protection. Collaborative conservation efforts can lead to more sustainable and successful outcomes. Eagle conservation requires international cooperation due to their migratory patterns. Eagles often cross national borders, necessitating coordinated conservation efforts. Threats like habitat loss and poaching require collaborative solutions across countries. International agreements and partnerships are essential for effective eagle protection. Technology plays a crucial role in enhancing eagle monitoring efforts. Advanced tracking devices provide real-time data on eagle movements and behavior. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras enable detailed nest surveys and habitat assessments. Remote sensing technologies help monitor changes in eagle habitats over large areas. Data analysis tools and software facilitate the identification of threats and patterns in eagle populations. These technological advancements contribute significantly to effective eagle conservation strategies. Zoos and aquariums play a role in eagle conservation. These institutions contribute to eagle education. They help raise awareness about eagle protection. Zoos and aquariums support eagle research efforts. Eagle conservation efforts raise several ethical considerations. These considerations involve balancing human needs with the preservation of eagle populations and their habitats. A key ethical dilemma is land use, development versus habitat preservation. Another ethical aspect is the management of human activities that impact eagles, such as hunting and pollution. Conservation strategies must ethically address the needs of both eagles and the communities that share their environment. Eagles are ecologically important apex predators. They play a crucial role in maintaining balance within ecosystems. Eagle populations have faced significant threats, including habitat loss. Pollution and human encroachment also endanger eagle survival. Continued conservation efforts are essential to protect eagles. These efforts ensure the long-term health of both eagle populations and their environments. Credits acknowledge individuals who contributed to the documentary. Credits also recognize organizations involved in the documentary's creation. This acknowledgement is a standard practice in filmmaking. It provides transparency regarding the project's collaborators. Credits typically appear at the end of the documentary.